Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to see how to add image inside a text. So let's get started. First of all, start Photoshop, go to create new, and in the presets I will go to web, and now I'll select 9020 by 1080 web large, and I'll press create. Now just press T or go to this type tool, and now I have this type tool. I'll just click anywhere in the middle like this, and I'll type a text. Okay, so now I'll go and change the font, and I'll select code bold, and I'll resize it to something like 500 px. Okay, make sure you use a thick font. In this case it's code bold and it's thick, but just take this for example. We have this code light, then you can see it is too thin and the image won't be visible properly, so we need a thick font. Okay, so we have our text and a nice thick font. The name of the font is code bold. You can search it on Da Font. If you just search it on Da Font, you will get this font. It's free to download and you can easily install it. Also, I will leave the link in the description to my own Mediafire download link, so you can download it from there if you wish. So I'm just going to delete the Da Font, and we have this ghost text. So now I'm just going to import a picture to place inside the text. So now we have this image, and if you want to download this image, I will also upload it on my Mediafire, and I'll link it in the description. So we'll just drag this image. So I'll just drag it. It will say me to convert to the normal layer. I'll just convert it, and I'll just drag it to our text file. And now I'm just going to resize it by pressing Ctrl plus T, or by pressing Command plus T on Mac. And by pressing Shift and Option or Alt key to resize it like this. And I'll make sure it covers the text. And now I'll press Ctrl or Command 0 to resize it back. And now we have this image on layer 1. I'll just right click on it and say create clipping mask. So as you can see, the basic picture in the text is done, but if we want to edit it a little bit, add some effects, or make it stand out, so I'll just control click on layer 1 and ghost so that we can select both of them, and then I'll go here and press it so that we'll create a group. I'll name this group text, and I'll right click on it and go to blending options, and here I'll add a drop shadow, And also if you want, you can add stroke somewhere like 2 or 3 will be fine, maybe 1 in this case, and I'll add drop shadow and stroke, and I'll press OK. Now I'll press this icon to create a new layer, and I'll put it below the text group, and I will make sure the background color is white and the foreground color is black. And if you have something else like this or maybe like this, then just press D to make it set it or reset it. And if you want to switch between them, just press X, and as you can see, you can easily switch between them, foreground and background. So I want my background to be white, and on layer 2, after selecting this layer 2, I'll press Control or Command and then backspace. It will fill this layer with a white color, and again I'll just put it down like this, maybe the text to up, and then I'll go to layer 2 and I'll go to blending options, and I'll go to gradient overlay, and I'll select a nice gradient. You can select any, even the default ones might do the job. For example, in this case, if you want, then you can go to this gradient and select this one, the first one, and then go and change the style to radial, and then reverse it, and after that scale it to 150, and then set the opacity a little bit down, something like this. And now as you can see, it's looking pretty nice. And also if you want, you can resize the whole text. So I'll just go to the text group and press Ctrl or Command T, and I'll press Shift and Option or Alt key to resize it like this, and then I will select the text folder and press Ctrl or Command A, and then I'll select this move tool, and I will click the middle icon and also the middle. Then we have it aligned in the center. So this is how you put an image inside the text. And if you like this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.